Well, the way I see her, parang gumagaling siya with every tournament. So dati early exit, ngayon, I mean nakaabot naman siya ng second round last time. Kaya lang hindi masyadong mahirap yung match. So ngayon nakita natin na mahirap yung match, nakahanap siya ng paraan para manalo. So it's a big step for her. So she's going into this second round match with the momentum of having dug herself out of trouble yesterday. Kasi mahirap talaga yung laro niya kahapon. Kasi yung kalaban niya, magaling sa clay eh. I mean, I was watching, parang madali lang. Yung parang ano lang siya sa ginagawa niya. But nakahanap si Alex eh. So, pagdasal natin na bukas, maka, maka forward pa rin siya dyan sa kanyang clay court campaign. Marami, ano pa naman eh. I think it's about 3 more weeks, 2 more weeks till the French Open.